let's use the commands we learned in the previous lesson to draw an actual sketch. Since the drawing is composed of horizontal and vertical lines, turn on ortho mode and enter precise dimensions to complete it. Once the drawing is complete, let's learn today's main command, circle. The shortcut key is C. The circle command has several options such as 2p, 3p, TTR, and TTT, but first, let's draw a basic circle. Normally, you can draw a circle by entering the radius. Before using the 2p, 3p, TTR, and TTT options, let's first set up OS and AP, which allows for precise point selection. To continue working from the circle you just drew, you'll need to snap to specific points, as shown on my screen. That's where OS and AP helps. The command is OS and AP, shortcut key OS, and you can toggle it on OFF using the F3 key. Type OS to open the settings window, check the snap points you want to enable, and click OK to close the window. Once OS and AP is set, use the snap points to draw a line through the center of the circle. Type circle, then choose to P to draw a circle based on 2 points. This time, select 3P to draw a circle using 3 points. Use the TTR option, select 2 lines, and enter the radius to draw a circle between them. Using the TTT option, first draw a triangle and then select 3 lines to draw a circle that touches all 3. Use the commands we covered today to complete the rest of the drawing. Drawing circles, use snap points, and enter the radius to finish the shape accurately.